Welcome. My name is Cindy Davis. I'm the contributing editor of AV Technology, and with me here today is Rich Ventura. Many of you already know Rich from his nearly 20 years at NEC Display Solutions and through his work with the Digital Signage Federation. In June of this year, Rich joined the Sony Electronics Professional Solutions America team as the Vice President of B2B. So welcome, Rich, and thanks for joining me.
Oh, thanks for having me, Cindy. I know it's always great to engage and sit down with you and talk about a lot of great technology and industry trends.
Well, great. Really excited to find out, you've joined Sony. I mean, gosh, after 20 years, that's pretty amazing. So tell me about, now that you've joined Sony, I've heard you say, and plenty of other people have heard you say that Sony BRAVIA displays are the best kept secret in the industry. So explain what you mean by that.
So it's the best kept secret and it's the worst kept secret. When I say it's the best kept secret is that there's so much amazing technology that we have. If you look at what we're doing with just look at SoC alone and the breadth of ability we have with SoC and having the technology that can run, whether it's collaboration boards or collaboration software, digital signage, it's communicating with Kramer's platform, you get on the list of it. So you have that, right? We have the ability of the fact that we have AirPlay functionality built into the display. You look at the fact that we've got a really smooth, clear, well-defined picture quality. So that's the display side, right? You add in the warranty and the extremely low, unbelievably low failure rates that we have in our product. And when I say it's the worst kept secret is we haven't done as good of a job as I'd love to see us do and talk about how robust our product is. And that's what hopefully everybody's seen since I've come on board. I'm not a quiet individual and I don't want my people to be quiet either. And it's not to be cocky because we don't have anything to be arrogant about. What we do though is we need to really step up and show what we can do. Because I think a lot of people don't realize just how powerful Sony really is.
Yeah. So Rich, Sony's always been known for its outstanding image quality. Talk a little bit about the evolution and the technologies that combine to create the Sony BRAVIA picture quality that everybody knows today.
No, definitely. There's three really key things that we talk about. The first one is 4K X Reality Pro, which is gives us that upscaling to 4K quality image. It really gives us that true, as close as possible, true 4K quality images, the sharp, very fine, real-time ability. So you've got that. Then you add in X Motion Clarity, which gives us that smooth on-screen action. So as you've got video flying across, it maintains smooth. There's no jitteriness to it. It really maintains that smooth, natural reproduction. And then the third one is Triluminous. And that really, with the Triluminous display, we're mapping colors for a wider color palette. We're faithfully really reproducing those colors that you would see in real world. So it's very vivid, lifelike hues, tones. That's one of the great things about Sony is having that TV organization or background in the consumer space where we're known for really high-end color reproduction and video. We've brought that functionality and feature into our BRAVIA Pro BRAVIA displays.
So why on the commercial B2B side, what applications is that particularly important for?
So if you're doing, so let's think about experiential digital signage is a really perfect example right off the bat. If you've got content that's very vivid, you've got content with lots of moving imagery, lots of video, we start talking about building those experiences. A flat static sign is only good for X%. Where you're really seeing digital signage being impactful, where it's drawing the audience in, that becomes very valuable. You also look at areas like exhibits, museums, places that you're going to have a lot of video. All those different things play into it. The one area that it's been really interesting in talking with our customers and understanding how they're using our product and how these functions and features become really important to them is when they start talking about their brand. We all know when you talk to a retailer, the most important brand is their brand. And so the fact that the colors are right, the fact that we have good alignment with the palette for their logos, the fact that it's building a vibrant image is so important for them. all of those things, and you go back to the best keep, you always hear me talk about the best kept secret. Those are all really important functionalities and features that we have in our product.
So Rich, thanks so much. It was really great to hear from you now that you're with Sony, and we're going to be hearing a whole lot more. So thanks very much.
Oh, thank you, Cindy. I mean, this is an exciting time for us as an organization, and it's a challenge. We know it's a challenging time as an industry, but we're really out there to help grow the industry together.
Right. And watch the whole series, and we'll send out a link. Thanks so much.